Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well today. Today in this video, I want to tell you very interesting story thoughts. So let's begin this story. My name is Sahid and I live in a little village. My father is a poor farmer. My mother is a housewife. She loves me very much. I have a poor family, but I am happy. I always go to school because I want to become a lawyer. I often play football with my friends. It is a good habit. Sometimes I go to outside for buy vegetables. I study in class 12th. My favorite subject is English. I always try to speak fluent English. So for this I try to speak English every day because I know to learn English I have to practice every day. In the evening I go outside for walk with my grandfather. You know, I face many problems in my life, but I don't give up because I know every problem come to make our life better. One day my father said, "Son, you are my sweetheart and I want to make a successful man, but for this you have to do hard work." Hearing this, I shocked, but I promised my daddy. So for this I work hard every day. I hope I can do it because everything possible if we can try good. My name is Sahid and I want to say that if you have many problems in your life, then don't worry because it is a path of success. Do you know God give us many talents which we can solve any problems, but we don't trust yourself. But we always try to understand how is possible. It is very simple, but for this we have to change our mindset. Because according to me, everything can be possible, but for this you have to work hard every day. To achieve success, you have to practice every day and you have passion because your passion is a key of success. I don't know what you are in present, but if you keep trying to achieve regularly, then in future you will get. So in this video, I just want to say that if you want to get anything in life, then for this you have to practice again and again. How to improve your spoken English? Hello my all dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great, and in this video I am going to share how increase your spoken English. If you want to improve spoken English, then you have to follow some tips. First, speak English every day. If you want to speak confident English, then you have to try to speak it every day because it is very important to improve spoken English. Second, listen English. Listening is very important for improvement. You can listen English songs or you can listen English news, but listen regularly. 3. Reading. If you want to learn better English, then you have to read English books with pictures. It can be understand English meanings. So reading is most helpful to learn better English. 4. Pick up the phone. If you learn better English, then you have to pick up the phone call and try to talk in English language. It can be fluency. 5. Record your video. To learn English, you have to practice on mobile phone. You can record your voice and listen it again and again. It will define your mistake. 6. Practice every day. If you want to learn English language, then you have to practice every day because it is a powerful tool which you can learn native English language and practice makes perfect.